I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Beetle headlight. First, make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool. You'll need a few basic tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Safety is key, so consider wearing gloves to protect your hands and to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Let's get started. Now let's access the headlight. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect this connector. Depending on your Beetle model, the bulb might be held in place by a spring clip or a twist lock mechanism. Carefully unclip or twist to release the old bulb from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Remember, avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. Hold it by its base and carefully insert it into the headlight housing. Make sure it's seated correctly. Then, secure it by re-engaging the spring clip or twisting it until it locks into place. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb. Once the new bulb is installed, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your car's headlights and check both the low beams and high beams to ensure everything is working correctly. If the light doesn't come on, double-check your connections. Once confirmed, close your car's hood. Remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly. You've successfully replaced your VW Beetle headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.